How to fix message unavailable on Instagram. So one of the ways to fix that problem, you can just go back to your screen, go ahead to the general settings. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the general. And from here, I'm going to just move on to the next step, which is the iPhone storage. I'm going to wait off for a couple seconds. And as you can see right here, you're going to see the many apps. Just go ahead to the Instagram and just go ahead and upload the app. And by uploading the app, it will help free up some space inside your Instagram, and it will automatically delete unnecessary files or anything irrelevant on Instagram app. And after you reinstall it again with the same button, it will help you force the app to latest update. So basically, after you upload the app and reinstall it again, it will help with the update as well. So if that did work out with you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here to the general settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just move on to the Wi-Fi, and from here what I'm gonna do, simply just toggle off the Wi-Fi and reopen it again. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna reset the Wi-Fi connection, plus it will help with the sending message problem. Probably it's a connection problem, so you will need to reset the connection by toggling off the Wi-Fi and reopen it again, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.